Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Wix easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Wix website. Once the page loads, look for the Get Started button at the top right corner. Click on the Get Started button to begin your registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type your email address in the designated field. Next, create a password for your account. Make sure your password is strong and easy for you to remember. After entering your email and password, click on the Sign Up button. You will now see options to continue with your social media accounts. If you prefer, you can connect through Facebook or Google for easier access. Once you select your preferred method, follow the prompts to log in. After signing in, you will be guided through a short questionnaire. This questionnaire will help Wix understand your needs better. Answer the questions honestly to ensure you get the best recommendations. Once you complete the questionnaire, click Next to proceed. Now you'll be asked to choose a template for your website. Browse through the available templates and select one that resonates with you. Click on Edit after choosing your template to start customizing. At this point, you may also be prompted to select a plan. Choose between a free plan or one of the premium options if you're ready. Continue to follow the prompts to finalize your registration. Once everything is set up, you'll be directed to your new Wix dashboard. Congratulations, you are now registered with Wix and ready to build your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.